Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about the content fragments and content fragment variations. So what is content fragment? So content fragment are the containers of related content items for a topic or a story that can consist of a content in a form of like plain text, rich text, or with the associate contents in the form of images, videos, documents, and other media types. So you can store these media types in the AEM digital assets management, that is DAM. So like you get an idea like what is content fragment. It is simply a container in which we put the content in plain or rich text together with optionally associated in the form of images, videos, documents, and other media types. Okay. Now I will talk about content fragment variations. So what is content fragment variations? So you can create and store a variation of content fragment when you need to adapt a content to a particular content format. Okay. So for example, you can prepare a news article to have a long form and abstract and a very short version with only 288 characters of Twitter. All of these are variations of the news article. So now we will look into it deep dive. Okay.